How do I read that number? Instead of saying 3.1, I say what? 3 and 1/10. Very good. All right, I want you to round 3 and 1/10 to the nearest whole number and put it in the first blank. Round it. Put it in the first blank. All right. I want you to round the second factor, which is 33, to the nearest whole number and put it in the second blank. Okay? I want you to get your estimate. What'd you get, Kamaria?
And the first one I
No, what's your estimate?
90.
90 is correct. I would have rounded 3 and 1/10 to 3 and 33 to 30. Okay, good. All right, I want you to work 31 times 33, which is 31/10 times 33, standard algorithm. And if you forget to put that decimal at the end, it is what? Wrong. It is wrong. If you forget to put that decimal at the end, it is wrong. Perfect. I don't think your answer's right then. Sure am. You need to do one bit of housekeeping. Oh. What did you not do? Yep, and every time you don't put a 0, your answer will be wrong. Because that estimate didn't even make sense, did it? All right, first partial product, guys, did you get 93? Second partial product, 930. For a final answer of 1,023.
No,
But does that make sense with that estimate, 90 and 1,023? No, because I've got to put my decimal in. How many digits are to the right of the decimal? What digit is it? No, it's not. It's a 1. The 3's to the left. So I've got to have 1 digit. So now what's my answer? 102 and 3/10. Is 90 pretty reasonable to 102? It's only 12 away. All right, go to number 2. I want you to estimate, round 3 and 2/10 to the nearest whole number. What would it round to, guys? 3. I want you to round 47 to the nearest whole number. What would it round to?
50.
50. Now is it simple to get an estimate? What is it? 150. Okay, now I want you to do standard algorithm and put your decimal in at the end. And don't forget all the stuff for standard algorithm. Make sure your decimal's bold. Don't give me a weak decimal, guys. I've got old eyes. Make sure I can see the decimal, even with these trifocals. Henry, don't forget that 0. I had some beautiful morning math grades. I'm talking beautiful. Beautiful. Last week. All right, first partial product, what'd you get?
220.
Okay, second partial product.
1,280.
Tell me again, Aubrey.
1,280.
Final answer, 1,504. Is that reasonable with 150? No. How many digits are to the right? What is it?
2.
What 2 digits do you see? How many numbers are to the right of a decimal? And what is that number? 2. I know, but you didn't. You said there were 2 digits to the right and there's only 1. All right, so I've got to put 1. Now, is 150 very close to 150 and 4/10? Absolutely. All right, I want you to work at your seat. B, I want you to work the rest of this page. And I want you to work to number 4 on the back. Number 4 on the back.